Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show. And much to surprise, I got a package in the mail, and I opened it up, and it was this. And I'm like, what the heck is this? And it was my birthday, so I thought, well, maybe this is something my daughter sent me. Nope, it's something my longtime subscriber and supporter Thomas sent me. After I had done the video on the other radio kit, this one right here, this is $120. He liked that so well, he got me another radio kit. Now this one is only $10, and this particular one is an FM radio. They have FM radios, they have stereo speakers kits, they have mono kits, they have many, and then they have all kinds of like toys, airplanes, stuff like that. So I was like, this is pretty cool. So let me open it up for you. Here is the instructions, which are basically pictures with a little bit of wording. There's the final product right there. Controls on the top here. There's the speaker. Telescopic antenna, which you connect up. Shows you how to put it together. And these are, I don't know if it's cardboard or some kind of material cutouts. This is the front and the back. These are the sides. There's the top. There's the bottom. Here is the little speaker. Here is the battery holder. And here is the electronics. Already put together, no soldering required, and the telescopic antenna. So I'm going to have, there's some hardware. I'm going to have a lot of fun putting this together. And I thought about doing a show of me putting it together, but I'm such fumble fingers that would get boring in a hurry. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble it offline, and then I'll show you the final product and how well it receives on FM. Pretty cool. These are only $10. $10 for a little FM kit. You have the fun of putting it together, plus you end up with a FM radio, or like I say, some of the other kits are two speakers, stereo speaker, amplifier speaker, or mono speaker, or like I say, a bunch of toy airplanes and stuff like robots. If you like putting things together, these are cute little kits. They're like $10. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Thomas, for sending me this kit, and I'm going to enjoy putting it together and showing it to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.